Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your language in your Fiverr account. So to change your language, all you need to do is go ahead and search for a profile right over here. So once you tap on it, you can see the option right here that says English right below billing and payments and right above the USD dollars. Once you tap on it, you can be able to choose a language. So you can choose your language to anything that you want. I'm going to be choosing Espanol. So guys, as you can see, the language has been changed. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.